izolo late ukuthi uSpawn namathuba u15,000 for South Africans. Kade sizwa manje ukuthi lapha eThekwini indawo eziningi almost 1,000 emsebenzi evulekile. Kunendawo eyodwa ekhanda opholoni la eMbilo ekwazi ukuthatha abantu abawu500 replacing 500 foreigners. Now if you are telling me ukuthi we are xenophobic and then ade sibona manje lapha kuna 15,000 wabantu baseMalawi. So are you telling me ukuthi laba abantu baseMalawi bebengasebenzi? Bonke labantu baseMalawi bebengasebenzi. Njengoba ubabona nje ukuthi into yabi namabhadi as much as kubhlungu ukubona amabhas abo eginqeni. Bathathe mina bangifaka ebhodleleni bethi bayangithakatha. Yes. Bangifaka ebhodleleni bafaka izibi, bafaka umuthi, bafaka amanzi, bafaka isithombe sami. Bathatha leso sithombe bangena nasebhasini bahamba naso bethi baya naseMalawi. Lawo ibhasi endleleni. Uyabona? Ngeshwa elibhlungu may his soul rest in peace udriver we truck ushonile aba11 balimala. And that is a very sad thing to watch. Ukuthi abantu bakithi now even abantu abayizikhulu esikhundleni sokuthi bekhulume ngokuthi siyabonga bantu base South Africa. Siyabonga ngokuthi nisukume nisikhombisa ukuthi lento ingenzeka. Lento ebesihlula sonke lesisikhathi ingenzeka. But what abaholi benzani? Bathi uphakela umthakathi is unskilled. But no, he's an unskilled Zulu man because angikhuluma isingisi esikhulu ngithi. Kodwa ngenza into I can lead 257,000 men and they can walk through town without breaking anything. So ufuna ngibe skilled kanjani? Ubona ukuthi lamadoda emiza amadala kangaka. Yesterday they were advocates, they were doctors, they were professionals, they were learned people ebebe lapha emachine ebengibahola izolo. Bekunelunga leParliament ebengilihola izolo lapha. So I'm still unskilled because angikhuluma isilungu esikhulu ema boardroom where you guys measure each other ukuthi omunye ufunde kangakanani omunye ufunde kangakanani. What is the purpose of going to school when you can't do anything? What is the purpose of going to school if you can't stand up for the country? What is the purpose of going to school when the country is going down and the laws are being broken in front of you? And then as soon as abantu base South Africa besukuma bethi awuthi silungisele nansini ubesuthi wena we must follow the law. You are the law, you are in parliament. You are the law, you are in parliament. You're supposed to have enforced these laws long time ago. And then you are trying to hinder us from doing our work because you feel like you are going to lose your position. Very all of you in parliament, you might lose your positions because these men and women, they are ready to take those positions. As you can see them walking through the streets and fighting and chanting, talking about our country and fighting for our country. They are ready to go and fight for this country. Saving a budget, a parliament, because we are doing this without a budget. No amount of propaganda defile terrorism, patriotism will defile patriotism or erase the sacrifices of our ancestors. We as Insizwa Nomsizwa Development Foundation, we have noted the utter contempt of disgust, the cowardly and malicious campaign by certain individual political opportunists who have resorted in spreading falsehoods and fabrications that our struggle and commitment in South Africa are funded by Israel and other Western powers. Sengiyagcina la sengizonikeza imibuzo ngoba izinto eziningi engizokwazi ukuyiphendula izokhulunywa nina kodwa ngizosithola lesi statement. This was very important for me to touch. First of all, I want to thank the South Africans. People won't believe ukuthi we spend a week almost 15,000 rand worth of fuel going around a week, and that money comes from South Africans. I have my Capitec account, it's not hidden. I put it out there to social media and I've kept asking people. And when I said to people the 30th of June, I announced it here. Advocate Ndao, he was here. Advocate Ndao Konala. We were here on the 7th of December when I announced the 30th of June. And when I said that, people said, no, he's crazy, he's a Zulu man, he's barbaric, he's not educated. So I don't care. Mina ngifuna kuba educated. Mina ngiyazala, ngizala izingane. Angidingi kuba educated. Ngizala izingane zabantu abantu ongeke uyibuze mayiqhamuka la. Uyabona ngoba lokhu kufunda kweni kudayilutha negazi nizala izingane engafani nayo. Uyabona. So ke ngangilapha ngimemezela umhla ka 30 June 2025 2026. Abantu bathi ngiyahlanya ngenza yonke into. But more than 2 million illegal immigrants have left this country. As we are talking right now, we have our intelligence in the borders. People are leaving because they know ukuthi sizoqhubeka nalento. They understand. Today I got a call from a guy from Zimbabwe. We spoke for 30 minutes. He was ebonga abantu base South Africa. Enibonga abantu base South Africa. Ebonga ukuthi nibakhumbuza ukuthi bona bangamadoda ngempela. If you are a man, you are calling yourself a man, and you are here in South Africa. You left your child, you left your wife, you left your relatives, you left your own place, your own land of your forefathers, and you are sitting in South Africa for 5 years without seeing your child. But you got a nerve to confront uPhakela Umthakathi ohlala neingane zakho obona ingane zakhe every after 2 weeks. You want to confront me and say I'm xenophobic, I hate Africans. You hate yourself. You hate yourself as an African. You can't leave your child. You can't be away from your child for 2 years. You cannot be away from your child for the whole year. The only soldiers are allowed to do that. Not a person enjoying himself, drinking all the savannas and black label and everything here in South Africa, enjoying that because they say black label in South Africa is more nicer. Is more nicer than the black label in their country. Can you really come to another country just for fun, for food and other things, and leaving your kids alone in your own country? My African brothers, let us bring back the true African spirit. The true African spirit, the first line of defense of any household is a man. Umusu sesa South Africa wena uhleli ubusa ingane zakho ishiye zonke ngokwesintu sethu thina abantu abansundu. Into umsebenzi wokuqala wendoda nje ukubheka umndeni wayo. Ubhekwa ubani umndeni wakho uhleli South Africa for 5 years. So I'm calling for my African brothers. I'm going to facilitate. I'm going to make sure. I'm going to visit these countries. I'm going to visit you, my brothers and sisters, in your countries to revive the spirit of Africa, to revive the spirit of Ubuntu. You must fight for your countries. If they kill you, they must kill all of you. You can't be scared of that, because even me, every day, yesterday I came late in the march because I had an intelligence that some people were waiting somewhere for me. I had to change 2 vehicles so that I can get to the march. Because if I used my car to come to the march, I would have died yesterday. That's why I kept postponing the times, because the intelligence was telling me, Uguti, there's things that people are trying to do. And thanks to the police, thanks to the intelligence, and all those that are criticizing us, they don't know that we go through such. All those that are criticizing us, they don't know. Good. The last time I saw my younger wife, Umasbia, it was on the 4th of December. I'm only going to go home now. Nami ngiyodlala webakwethu ngoba kade sagcina ukudlala nezingane lapha. Ngidlalise nengane endala engizalele izingane. Uyabo. So ke kubhlungu kabi ukuthi ugxekwa abantu begxekela izinto ezifana nalezo. Indaba ye xenophobia nokuthi siyakhokhelwa into engeke iziyenzeke kuPhakela Umthakathi. No one is going to fund me. No one is going to fund me to divert this. No one is going to fund me to change the tone. Ngicela ukuniqinisekisa kuloko. Angithengeki mina wengane zakwethu. Lokho engikwenza ngobudoda. Lokho engikwenza ngoba ngiyindoda. Ngikwenza ngoba kuyi-responsibility yami njengendoda ukuthi ngisukume, ngikhumbuza abaholi, ngikhumbuza ubaba egcekeni ukuthi baba ngiyakucela, sicela unake thina njengezingane zethu. Hulumeni awukuthi uzame ukusikhuzela laba bantu esibe nomoya omuhle kubo. For more than 25 years ama foreigners ehlele South Africa. We were very nice, and then boom, December they make a video and say, we are going to take this land. Okay, so we know they can't take their land because they can't take it back to their countries. But the worst thing they said, the worst thing, they said they are going to take our women. Awumthinta umfazi kwaZulu, akathintwa umuntu wesifazane kwaZulu. Yiyo ke into yasisukumisa leyo. Sathi uyabona ke abasho lokho kuphela. Uma bethi bazothatha abafazi bethu ngoba abasho ukuthi bazothatha intombi, bathi bazothatha abafazi bethu. Inhlamba ke leyo uma windoda ukuthi nje wena ungarelaxa uthi ngoba wakho umfazi akabakakhulumi ngaye awunankingi ngoba bazomthatha ngempela. Bazomthatha ngempela. Nizwile nje kwenye province uDeputy Mayor, the whole Deputy Mayor indoda yakhe yase Nigeria. The whole Deputy Mayor ubefihla abantu endlini yakhe uDeputy Mayor. Uthandana neNigerian elingasebenzi. Uthandana uDeputy Mayor, Google the news, they are there. Uthandana neNigeria elingasebenzi. Uthathe abantu bakubo baseNigeria wayobafihla endlini yakhe. Uthatha osibala engabe uyahamba uDeputy Mayor ayodeputize le eNigeria. Usebenzisa ama state resources nendlu kahulumeni nemali kahulumeni nemali yabanye abakhokhi bentela ukuthi afihla abantu bokufika bangekho la abalapha ezweni ngekho emthethweni. Ngane zakwethu owethu umyalezo uqondile. Owethu umyalezo uqondile. Sithi izwe alilungu akubuyisa imithetho akulayinile la sizonifakela khona nizoqhubeka nakho nikufunde kodwa asikwazi ukuchitha isikhathi sikhulume ngezinto esisadinga ukwenziwa sineminyaka ewu32 sisemandleni. iSouth Africa ina 32 into democracy. We can't be still planning. Things needs to be done now. Insizwa nobunsizwa Development Foundation nizobona lapho ku statement izoqala manje namhlanje ngomhla ka1 to force izinto eziningi lapha eThekwini. Hayibo. Ngibani lo nonginikeza izinto zengane? Yeah. Kuyabona ngathi ngiyazala. Ngalo kunezinto zezingane emhlweni. Siyabonga. Abengenandaba nokujuluka mina. Indoda mayikhuluma into eserious iyajuluka. So ke sizoqala izinto ezinkulu njengamanje bafowethu ezokuthi sihlale entweni manje njengalapha eThekwini. Into esizoyenza njengala eThekwini njengamanje. Sizoya kumasipala sikhombe ibhilidi sithi umasipala namhlanje khipha laba abantu namhlanje. Sisuke siye kwelibi akukho ukuxoxa okuzokwenzeka. Akukho ukuxoxa okuzokwenzeka. Sizofika sikhombe ibhilidi ngoba amabhilidi abahleli kuwo barenta kumuntu osebenza kwamasipala. Into esizoyenza njengala eThekwini njengamanje sizoya kumasipala sikhombe ibhilidi sithi umasipala namhlanje khipha laba abantu namhlanje. Sisuke siye kwelibi akukho ukuxoxa okuzokwenzeka. Akukho ukuxoxa okuzokwenzeka. Sizofika sikhombe ibhilidi ngoba amabhilidi abahleli kuwo barenta kumuntu osebenza kwamasipala. Barenta ibhilidi ngelika works. It was vacant. And then strategically ama Nigerians ahamba yongena ibhilidi. Ubani owatshela ukuthi ibhilidi alinamuntu? Ubani owatshela bangena bahleli bayeka ukuhlala ukuthi bahluphekile baphenduka baba ngama landlords. Sizoya kwa Transnet. Izindlu ka Transnet zonke lezi ezigcwele lapha empilo okuphekwa kuza ama drug. Sizoya kwa Transnet sithi sicela usinike uhla lwezindlu zakho Transnet. Sicela usinike uhla lwezindlu zakho Public Works. Masipala nangoyelana elithile siya kunansi. Siyoyilungisa siyoyivula sicela abantu abaphakathi ukuthi abaphume ebese leyo hlisentenselwa laba bantu abakhahlamezwe izikhukhula balapha eSouth Africa behlale kulezo zindlu ngoba vele azenzi lutho abadinga ukurent abenzi lutho ugesi awukhokhelwa kwenziwa lutho abaqhubeke bengawukhokhela ugesi bengenzi lutho kodwa kuhlala abantu base South Africa ngoba nakho for so many years abantu bangaphandle bahleli kule bhilidi abawukhokhela ugesi. Can you imagine kune bhilidi la okuthiwa abantu abokufika bahleli khona batshele abantu izolo ukuthi bona bayindawo kodwa kunomasipala la eThekwini. Thina ke njengeinsizwa sicela umasipala ukusebenzisana naye namaphoyisa sifike simkhombise khipha laba abantu namhlanje. Uma ngabe ngabakhiphi siyahlala lapho bazohlala lapho ngaphakathi abeze ukuphuma beyothenga abeze ukwenza sizohlala lapho. Angithi abangamakhosi bayagada sizobagada ke thina sibona. Aliki drug elizodayisa la eThekwini ukusuka manje kuya kuDisemba nizobona kuzophela ukudayisa kwama drugs la eThekwini ngoba kwenziwa ngamabombu kwenziwa izikhulu namaphoyisa
lethu.
Ukusuka manje sibiza igama lomuntu sikhipha ubufakazi sibiza igama lomuntu sikhipha ubufakazi futhi asifuna amaphoyisa lokho eyobona. Asifuna amaphoyisa lokho eyobona. Ikhophi ayenzi ngela amaphoyisa. Iphoyisa linesiphumo sokuvikela umphakathi. inqwaba amaphoyisa angazabulala umuntu la kodwa ngezenzo zawo zokumukela imali zokwebiwe kuma-drug lords seyibaqedile abantu asabeqedile abantu amaphoyisa lingazange lona limbulala umuntu ngqo kodwa lama-drugs anikezwe iy'ngane zonke le ngane zakithi ey'hleli lapha lokhuza eKing Dinizulu Park ziqhamuka kulezi zenzo zabantu abafuna ukwenza imali esheshayo.